mayambu taramna ukjari makhal mathelni lawsingni channel asina mayamgidamakta tongan-tonganba e-paw kaya puduna lakjari ahanbada Facebook page singzamai 360 na thabigat pirakpada your school runs lampak Imphal turelga punkre returning wall dagi yurak paisingna lambi chatpada kaiba tholakpa maramna one way ohenkhre mathangda Laren digital creator na thagat pirakpada namthangpung New Chokangi Houzik Uriba Fiva Maduni Mayam Namaste Ubiriba Si Mayam Namaste Ubiriba Sina Iril Turelgi Houzik Uriba Fiva Maduni Amadi Yunang Kuno Ising Ichaogi awaba mayoknare Loinana Tongan ba Manipurgi Mafam Sing Ising Imaina Wankalaktuna Ichao mayoknaba yabagi Akiba Lainare Masina Maram Oiraga State School Sing Government Aided Private Amadi Central School Sing July gi tang ahum amadi tarik mari asi School Sing Suti Oiri Haiduna Lauthokre Makha tarakpa pauda Congress MP Oja Akoijam Bimol na Manipur gi chahi ama helaba hena chatharakli ba irang asi ki matangda Lok Sabha gi Parliamenta mahaki pendaba kholauna pumnil ninhankhre
Feel comfortable with this silence on the tragedy of Manipur. Keep your hands on your heart and think about the 60,000 people who are linguistic in relief camps. And those mothers, those widows, think of them. And then you talk about nationalism.
Point is made. He made
Only
his point.
then we will understand what this tragedy means. And Mr. Chairman, the anger has thrown a nobody like me to be part of this temple of democracy. Bidding the BJP cabinet minister think about the pain. If you hear an anxiety, anguish and pain in my voice, please go back and see those 60,000 people linguisting in the relief camp. Don't talk.
Manipur gi issue kaya pukhatuna pendaba sauningba nuaitaba kaya fongdokhi amadi mashida miyoi listing humpu henbana relief camp da leiri aduga miyoi chanina thawaina pontha pikre masida India gi prime minister na tuminna leiriba asidi Manipur bu miraibani haiduna mahangna pendaba fongdokhi mahaki warol aduda opposition gi MP singnasu yaningduna sogatpagi ingit pikhi masiga mari lainana film Rohan Singh gi Facebook page ta mahakna thagalakpada Hunara Laidu Saru Congress ki Oja Bimol na puthok hodaba isudo atop state ki BJP MP amma tauraga address to hunse Manipur se muktadi BJP Congress ani changdana kalo CM Biren MP Bimol ngamjangam jaba zagada hotna biraku mathangda Kanglei reactor space na asum namung thagalakli nongsana naikhre kwak chairoi mayam thak nikre amadi makhatana e-paw Manipur of the nabibirakpada CM Sinbagi wafam opposition na sanabani lan manungda karamba general Sinba yaukrabagi CM Biren loinana Manipuri by blood na thagalakpa post amada Maitei Bulan na uhanna bahonaramba Birmingham University gi Professor Uday Reddy gi makhada police na FIR ama file tawkre loinana nasigi video asi loisinjari miyam na masigi namakta like comment share amadi subscribe tawbirum laidamata miyamgi mafamda hanna ningsingjari